Now we'll understand about how this chloroquine is given. So chloroquine की tablets आती हैं 150 mg base or you can say 250 mg salt. Base is what actually act and salt is which is given in combination with something like कोई medicine है उसको किसी salt के साथ mix करके दिया जा रहा है तो that is this is the total. Now the base is just the amount of the drug that is actually acting, that is the base. So it is given as 633 principle, means this is 600 mg base, not the salt. Then it's 300 mg what base. Then we have this again, we have this 300 mg base. So ये भी हम क्या करते हैं 300 mg base दे रहे हैं. So 600 mg base means we are giving 4 tablets of 150 mg to make it 600 mg. मतलब 150 mg की टैबलेट है, उसका बेस 150 mg है, तो हमें 600 mg करने के लिए कितनी टैबलेट्स चाहिए होंगी? दिस इज 4 टैबलेट्स. और ये 250 mg अगर सॉल्ट है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? ठीक है, 250 मल्टीप्लाइड 4 कितना हो गया? 1000 mg. ठीक है, सो 4 टैबलेट्स हमें देनी है फर्स्ट डे पे. देन सेकंड डे पे वी आर गिविंग 300 mg बेस, मींस वी आर गिविंग 2 टैबलेट्स. 150 mg की एक है, 150 mg का बेस, एक टैबलेट 150 mg है तो दो कितने की होगी? 300 mg बेस, तो 2 टैबलेट्स दे रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे भी हम सेम दे रहे हैं, 2 टैबलेट्स दे रहे हैं. ठीक है, फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 डेज वी आर ऑल्सो गिविंग. जैसे टुडे इज 12th, मैंने 12th को 4 टैबलेट्स ली. Then again I'll take 2 tablets on the next day 15th को. So today is 12th and I have taken 4 tablets of chloroquine. Then on 13th I have taken 2 tablets. Then on 14th I have taken 2 tablets. On 14th and 15th also for 2 days I have taken 2 tablets and this is OD. ठीक है, so prophylaxis. Whenever you go to some endemic areas, malaria prone areas, then what should we do? That we should take the chloroquine 1 to 2 weeks before going and continue it for 4 weeks after coming back to from that place. ठीक है, and it is taken weekly. क्या देना है? once a week टैबलेट देनी है and it's 1 to 2 weeks before going and continue till 4 weeks after coming back chloroquine. Now coming to the side effects of chloroquine, we learn by the mnemonic I hate chloroquine. I is for itching, it causes itching. Then we have from H we have the headache. We have headache. A we have the abdominal upset. We have GI upset होती है इससे. Then it is very toxic for the eye. ठीक है, eye के लिए बहुत toxic है. It causes retinopathy. Then E it has ECG changes. It causes ECG changes. Then it is cardiotoxic. So chloroquine. So I hate chloroquine. I for itching, H for headache. Then A is the abdominal upset. Then we have this T. Then it is the toxic to the eyes. These are toxic to the eyes. Then we have the ECG changes and okay, these are the, so it is cardiotoxic. So most important side effect is retinopathy. If it is coming exam, that is means most important is